Greetings and welcome to this brand new jailbreak update. So since about 2 weeks ago, USBLiter8 was released and we can see significant progress around it. So in this video we will discuss it first, and in the end I will also show you how you can use USBLiter8 on your supported devices such as all of your A12 and A13 devices. The information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes, so use it responsibly. Now to boot the SSH RAM disk on your A12 and A13 devices, you can look into Spironolactone. As you can see, we are at its official GitHub page. If you scroll down, you can see that currently it only supports generating SSH RAM disk and booting them, but soon the functionality will be expanded to installing dual boots, jailbreaks and downgrades. Using it currently is very simple. You can create SSH RAM disk for iOS 12.0 to 14.4.2 on your A12 devices and 13.0 to 13.7 for your A13 devices. First of all, you will require the RP2350 development board to pawn your device using USBLiter8. Then you will have to get the firmware key.json file. You can simply head to this official link here, and then from there you can select your device. So for example, it's an iPhone, so I will select the firmware version I want to create the SSH RAM disk. So for example, iOS 13. From there I will select my device. So my device is an iPhone SE 2nd generation. So for example, I want to create the SSH RAM disk for 13.4.1. I will select this link, and then I will select keys, and I will get this JSON file. Can rename it to keys.json if required, and then you can use this command to simply clone the Spironolactone, and then you can cd into the actual tools folder using this cd or change directory command. Then you can run /make rd.sh. Simply put your iOS version here and then the location of the firmware key.json. Simply drag and drop a file into, and it will automatically get you its location. Press enter, it will create the RAM disk, and to boot the RAM disk, run the command that .make rd.sh outputs at the end. Right now it only works on Mac OS, so Linux can be implemented in the future, but Windows is very unlikely to happen. Talking about tether downgrading, you can actually tether downgrade your A12 or A13 devices. It is now possible. As you can see this post, iPhone XR has been tether downgraded to iOS 14.5.1, which means that if your device turns off, you will have to pawn it again using USBLiter8 and then boot it from the specific tool. Not only this, we have a complete video of an iPhone XR tether downgraded to iOS 14.0 beta 4 to the home screen. You can see the device boots up, you can see the verbose boot, and it lands right on the home screen, which means that yes, you can tether downgrade your A12 or A13 devices to any version without the SSH blobs. Regarding the jailbreak news, you can see that a developer successfully got root on an A13 device, which means that if it is worked on, a jailbreak can be made. So the things are progressing slowly but surely. The next good thing for all of your devices is that if you are on iOS 26.0.1, a jailbreak may be possible in distant future. As you can see, this developer, who is highly trusted, has got root on his device, which is an A12 device. By the way, this is possible with a PPL bypass which was missing. So it depends if he releases it, and if he does, a jailbreak will surely be possible. So if you are on iOS 26.0.1 or lower, please stay put, do not update. Now towards the end of this video, let's see how we can use USBLiter8 to get to this secure ROM bug on A12 and A13 devices. Now, of course, for this to work, you will need this RP2350 USB-A. Again, it is very easy to get. You can get it online. Alright. For the very first time, you will have to press and hold the boot button. Alright. And then plug in USB-C from the computer and then leave it here. Now on the computer, when you open this PC, you will see that you have this drive which appeared after you have connected the RP2350. When you open it, you will see these two files. Leave it here. Now open USBLiter8 from its official GitHub page. You will see this under releases. You will simply get this zip file. Once you get the zip file, simply extract it. You will get this folder. Now simply corresponding to the development board you have, you will simply get these files. So I have the RP2350 USB-A, so I will simply pick this file, copy, then go to a drive newly created, then right click and then hit paste. You will see that the LED on your development board will start to blink and then it will stay steady, which means that it is now ready. Now to get into DFU mode on your supported devices, make sure that your device is plugged into your computer via the lightning cable. You can see it is now charging and it is detected by the computer in iTunes. Now we will lock it, then get to the lock screen, press volume up, press volume down, and then keep holding the side button until the screen goes black. Then quickly hold volume down for 5 seconds. Then leave the side button but keep holding the volume down button until your device gets into DFU mode. You can also see it in iTunes. It will show you that your device is now in DFU mode. And then you can leave the volume down. The screen should stay black. Now simply plug out the cable from the computer. Alright. Now we will simply plug it in to our RP2350. Alright. It first turned blue and then it turned green, which means the device is now pawned with the USBLiter8. Now you can use your device with a tool to jailbreak, to downgrade, to dual boot, etc., provided a tool is available and it is compatible with your operating system. Now to tally the LED behavior on your development board, you can open the official GitHub page for USBLiter8. Scroll down and you can see what mean by the blinking orange LED, steady orange, green and red. So the green one is indeed that it succeeded. The blue one is in progress. Steady orange is that it is ready. And the blinking orange is that your development board is booting. Red means it failed. This is for the RP2350 USB-A. If you are using another development board which has an LED in single color, you can also check it by comparing it here. That's all for this jailbreak update. If I have more information to share, I will definitely do it with you. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.